again with another daily Bitcoin DCA because USD just ain't the way. Currently September 30th, 2025. Block high 917,111. One Bitcoin will run you $113, 830-ish dollars, and $1 will get you 879 sats. Hash rate looking good. Block time looking good. 23,000 reachable nodes. Fees back low again. Market cap still a little over 2 trillion. And the system is running flawlessly. If we come take a look at the Z score, creeping back up a little bit, 2.19, still trying to pick a direction. If we come take a look at the floor, slowly rising, 53,118, up a little bit from yesterday. If we come take a look at some technicals, 57 on the RSI. Like I said, we bounced off of the 20-day EMA from last week and still trying to decide if we're going to run up or come back down and bounce off of it again or break below it and potentially test our 50-day and potentially test that gap that's on the CME futures at like 90,000 or something like that. If we come take a look at BITI, Bitcoin inverse, shorting Bitcoin in essence, RSI sitting at 40. And then if we come take a look at the numbers, here's the buy, execution price, Bitcoin accumulated. So far, here's the portfolio, up to $20, this amount of Bitcoin in there. And then if we come take a look at BITI, this is how much was purchased off of $1. And then this is how that portfolio is looking, a little over 1 share. Ending off the month smooth. Everything is looking good. So we've been pretty much in a range. I didn't start this at the beginning of the month, 10 days in. So in about a 20-day window, we had a high of 117,000 and a low of 109,000 when I made these buys. So we've had a fluctuation of about 8,000. And then we can see our Z-score had a high of 2.34 and a low of 2.01. And then RSI had a high of 61 and a low of 52. And we can see our floor just slowly has been moving up. So we want to see this section continue to rise and the amount of Bitcoin accumulated continue to rise. If we take a look at BITI, finally cracked that 1 share yesterday, and I haven't marked off the highs and the lows on here. Not really too concerned about the highs and the lows. Kind of even the RSI. Just taking a peek at it. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty much in correlation with, or the inverse correlation of Bitcoin's price. So not really too concerned on too much of the technicals for BITI. Everything's looking good, closing out the month strong, sticking to the strip, sticking to the game plan, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. I'm out.